But
Yeah.
I'm really happy kasi ngayon, we have a lot of role models na in the culinary industry. Like, the head chef in Gordon Ramsay's restaurant in Newport
babae,
is a girl. It's a woman, si Chef Bea. Then we also have Chef Margarita Flores,
Yes.
di ba?
Oo nga.
Yeah. So ngayon, nagkakaroon na tayo ng maraming role models. And I think it's also one of the things that, siguro on the side, na gusto ko rin maging kumbaga inspiration or maging representative na young Filipino cook in the industry. Ganon.
Thank you for saying young. Kasi alam mo, for the kids, I just observed because I also have a 24-year-old at home, no? Although my son really loves cooking, the entire house is a cooking house. Lahat kami nagluluto sa bahay, no?
Nice.
Very rare na may bata na interesado sa pagluluto. Most of them, they like to eat out or parang they like discovering restaurants. It's more of like a lifestyle thing rather than actually a passion or a profession that you would want to pursue. Well, thank you for saying you want to represent the young female culinary
True,
Yes.
true. Sikat yan ngayon eh, yung maano ulam ma. Hindi ka nagaganon. Maano ulam ma. Ikaw
Shoutout
na mismo
sa mga
magluluto
kabataan
kasi, di ba? O, shoutout sa mga kabataan dyan. yung gaganon, no?
By the way, i-guess ka rin namin. Mag-antay
Oh my
ka.